Everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to download offline maps on Google Map. First thing is open up your Google Map, and then go to where you want the place you want to download this offline map. Let's say I want to search for a particular restaurant, have a chicken cafe. Good. Now I want to download the offline map. At the top here, tap on more, and then you can see download offline map. Tap on download offline map. So you can drag or zoom to adjust the map. To tell you can see, and then tap on download. You can decide to download over mobile data or download over Wi-Fi. Let's have download mine now. I just tried and to continue in the background. So once it's downloaded, I'm going to see it. Tap on notification bell. You see map downloaded, and then you open it up. And you see that particular map, tap on it, and you can see the map. That's it. It's as simple as that.